Yeah, so first tonight, our chief meteorologist Chris Holcomb is tracking the potential for some severe storms out there. Chris, we are hearing the rumblings outside of our studios here in Midtown.
Yeah, and we have a few severe thunderstorm warnings in effect. If you've been watching the coverage, you've been seeing the crawl there at the bottom of your screen, keeping you posted on those storms that are moving through. And we do have a severe thunderstorm warning right on top of us here in the city of Atlanta. And that's with this cluster of storms that's moving through our area right now. You can see how this has been dropping in from the northwest, moving down toward the southeast. Here you see that very heavy rain, a lot of thunder and lightning with this. We've had winds estimated around 60 miles an hour with some of these storms. So this yellow polygon here shows that severe thunderstorm warning in effect for parts of Clayton County, Cobb County, DeKalb County, and Fulton County. That'll be in effect until 5:30 as this moves down toward the south and east. So I want you folks down on the south and east end of the perimeter to be aware you are next as this line moves into your area. Also to the west of us, this warning for Cobb County was just expired at 5 o'clock just a moment ago, and now we have this warning in effect over in West Georgia. This is about to rock Carrollton right now. It's going to keep moving down toward the south, moving toward Whitesburg. This is in effect for Carroll, Douglas, Harrelson, and also Heard County until 5:15. There is another warning over on the east. Okay, this one just came up right here. This is a brand new warning just now in effect. You saw that yellow polygon right here just come up ahead of this line, as that's going to be moving through the rest of Carroll County into Coweta County, South Fulton, also in those areas down toward Heard County as well, where we see that severe thunderstorm warning that was just issued there for those counties down to the south right there. Moving down into the northern parts of Meriwether County, this one is going to be in effect until 5:45. Let me take you to our storm tracker Thunder Truck right now. Thunder Truck is out in the metro area driving around, and you can see the heavy rain that we're dealing with right now that is slowing down that traffic. This is right there as you get into getting down closer to the downtown connector here, getting on the downtown connector right before the split. And you can see the rain and, of course, all the traffic in association with that out there as well. Here's another look at what we're watching. This is another view of these storms. They continue to push down toward the south. We've got about 500 lightning strikes just in the past 15 minutes with this system as it's moving on through. Also, a severe thunderstorm watch in effect. More counties were included in this on the north side earlier, but they're starting to take away some of these counties as those storms move to the south. But you can see these from metro Atlanta southward in effect until 9 o'clock for the metro area and for those areas down to the south. I wouldn't be surprised if maybe the National Weather Service starts taking away more of those counties. This is our view right now from our tower cam at Northside Hospital, looking southward toward Buckhead and toward the city, and you can see the very dark clouds and all of the rain that we have in association with those storms as they are moving through the area. So here's what to expect for the rest of the night. We are still in that level 1 of 5 risk that some of these storms could turn severe, and that's what we're experiencing right now. On the west side, level 2 risk. That's where the chance is higher for some of those storms to turn severe. And that's where you see on our future radar these storms slicing the city right now. Heaviest activity there on the west side. Here's the good news for the rest of the immediate evening hours. This is going to push down toward the south. And you see here by 9 o'clock, 9 o'clock, we're going to be in a bit of a break. But then later on tonight, some additional showers and storms can move through. We'll have more on that in a few minutes.